6:28 in the morning. Our car meets at 6:30 downstairs. Laura's no longer with us, but we're headed up to northern Thailand to see some temples and maybe a waterfall or two. Our next destination was supposed to be northern Thailand, but we're in Laos. We just went across the Freedom Bridge.
That is right.
We flew up from Phuket to Chiang Mai, northern Thailand, have been traveling around the tiniest bit, but the main goal was to come over here to Laos and float the Mekong, which is what we are doing today and tomorrow.
Oh no!
He fell in. He fell in.
Oh no, not the phone.
My name is Sully. Welcome to visit Laos. Yeah? We're leaving Thailand. This is the end. This is the border right here. We arrived to our hotel. We got this uphill, this major uphill climb. We got it. We're gonna do great. We made it up the hill. We're the first ones to get our key to the room.
Oh!
Beating all these other people. Oh, is that our room?
That's 6, we're 7.
Okay. Why are we?
These are not in numerical order.
I guess not. Okay, so it skipped 7.
Straight to 12.
So I'm going.
Alright, baby. Ooh, look at this little place.
Stay here.
Ah. Wow.
That is so cool.
Magical, magical Laos. Alright, I got bags on and I'm really lopsided and top heavy.
Whatever. Help me, I gotta pee,
Oh, she's gotta pee!
So we're in this town that we don't even know the name of. We just put our things in the room. We're gonna go explore.
Oh yeah, and we have jackets on because it's pretty chilly.
Wow, it's cold.
Further down the Mekong, the colder it got.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out this town, see what it's about, and get some food.
Food time.
As always.
Clips of Ashlei eating something.
We've had enough of those, and we agreed Ashlei eating clips are going to be put on hold for a couple of episodes.
Never!
Because we've been told by my friends it's getting a little ridiculous.
Okay, alright, you have the fish. I'm gonna go with the sausage. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. It's very, very cold. We haven't experienced cold like this in a while. I think Australia was the last time it was actually this cold. We're getting ready to get back on the boat this morning.
Close up. It's cold. It's cold. I'm tired. I straighten my hair.
Adventure time.
Back on that boat today, a little chillier than yesterday. We are going to show you more of what this boat is about today. Yesterday we met some incredible people. Sanders, Sophie, some really awesome, nice people on the boat from all over the world, including Denmark, Seattle, Czech Republic. They're really great and we really enjoy talking to them. This is really one of the most awesome things I've ever done. Floating down the Mekong in a relaxing, like, just really cool boat. Now, come on. Gotta go. Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
go, let's go, let's go.
Alright, day number 2. Alright guys?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Day number 2.
Kind of go with the flow and see how it goes. They're making their own seesaws out of wood they found on the hill, and then putting them on other planks of wood, and they're having a ball.
Babe? Babe? Need some help? This is the second village that we visited.
Yeah.
First one yesterday, this is today. I mean, this is a school.
We hear them inside. The most frustrating thing is the communication between two different people. A lot of people are just shoving their cameras in those children's faces without asking or saying picture or anything.
Yeah.
They're not a museum. And just in that aspect, not that these children, they're children, they're cute as can be. Of course you want to take pictures of them, but refraining because they're children.
I would want somebody coming up to your child and just putting a camera in their face, taking a picture and smiling and then just walking away.
Yes, exactly.
It's makes you feel, I don't know.
Okay, if you're traveling to Laos and visiting any local villages, any at all,
make sure you check with the company about the village you're going to be seeing and the condition of the village.
Yeah, and maybe you can bring something to help anyone out. Diapers,
supplies,
t-shirts, anything.
Really
and
anything.
We wish we had known the conditions of the villages we were walking into, and we wish we had brought anything, just for fun.
Yeah. Should have filmed you more.
2 days. 2 days and this was home. We've arrived to Luang Prabang in Laos. We're the last ones to get off the boat. That's how sad we are.
I think we were the last ones to get on too.
Yeah. I really like it. Shall we go? Yes. Alright, bye guys.
Alright guys, we'll see ya.